My name is Saeed Ahmed. I'm a SAP certified consultant. This video is about how new graduates can stand out in a tough job market in 7 steps. Hello, fresh graduates and the students in the final year. Due to COVID-19, job search in this year and next year will be challenge for fresh graduates because of closure and slowdown of the business activities. There is, of course, less demand for the new graduates, and with online model, the jobs can be performed from anywhere in the world. The employer can go for less expensive remote model instead of hiring a local and fresh graduate. In these circumstances, job market will be very competitive. In order to stand out in a hiring process, I am suggesting you add new skills to your profile. If you have college, university education in accounting, finance, sales, business technology, computer science, human resources, procurement, supply chain, and so on, then by learning SAP, you can easily get into SAP job as a user, super user, or junior consultant. Even if you have a undergraduate degree in any area and willing to learn, then still you can learn SAP. By following 7 steps, you can secure your first job in the short term, and in the long run, you can become a SAP consultant, which is a well paid role. Step number 1, understand what is SAP. SAP is a leading ERP system founded in 1972. It has grown from a small 5% startup to a multinational enterprise with more than 100,000 employees and over 40,000 customers in 180 countries. Its global headquarters is in Germany. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP software includes program all core business areas such as procurement, production, material management, sales, marketing, finance, and human resources. SAP was one of the first companies to develop standard software for business solutions. Search yourself on the internet and find answer to your question if SAP is the right career path for you or not. If yes, then move to the next step. Search companies using SAP. Usually medium and large companies and public sector organizations are big SAP software users. You can search them very easily on the internet. Search if they are hiring fresh graduates and make a list of these potential employers. Start applying even if you don't have training or certification in SAP. As the training process, uh, as the hiring process takes a couple of months, and during this period, you can get some SAP training or certification. So if you are okay with step number 2, then you can move to step number 3, which is be prepared for a struggle. So learning SAP is self-study with high rewards, which require a lot of patience and hard work for 6 months to 1 year. During this period, you will get hands-on system experience, learn various SAP business processes in finance or HR or sales or procurement, and also do SAP certification, free or paid. There are various certifications, some are free and some are paid. SAP is an ocean and there are more than 40 modules. So you have to select just one module and try to master it. So step number 4 is very important to map your existing skills with SAP module. For example, for finance background, FICO module; for sales background, SD and CRM module; for procurement background, Ariba and MM module; for human resource background, HR module; for programming background, ABAP module, and so on. Step number 5, search for SAP trainer. Search free SAP training available in your area. For example, a lot of resources available for SAP free training. For example, opensap.com. Search SAP paid training. For paid training, a trainer is more important than the institution. So remote training is also available with SAP system access from various service provider. Step number 6, which is resume and interview. If you have completed any SAP course, then add to your resume. If you have done any SAP certification, add to your resume and LinkedIn profile. If you completed SAP training, then ask your SAP trainer to help you in your resume interview. In your future employer, if your future employer use SAP, then ask if your future employer use SAP, then you can more then if your future employer use SAP, then you have more chances of getting an interview. It is not possible to learn even a single module completely. So in the beginning, make yourself expert in one area. For example, purchase order, account payable, payment processing, depending upon the module you selected. Step number 7, continue learning. If you successfully got your first job in a company which uses SAP, then keep learning SAP and doing more certification and training until you become SAP certified or solution architect. If you have any question, then please enter it in comment section. I will respond to your question or make a new video. In in my future video, I will be focusing on each point separately. Please subscribe this channel to get notification about the new videos. Good luck with your SAP journey.